Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new lesson called Geometry, Perimeter, Area and Nets. It's a new lesson from Geometry and its name is Perimeter, Area and Nets. Children, do you know what is perimeter? It is perimeter. Perimeter spelling P-E-R-I-M-E-T-E-R. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter of a closed figure is the total length of the figure or total distance covered around a figure. That we call it as perimeter. For example, Shamit, a boy who wants to make a photo frame of length 18 centimeter and breadth 12 centimeter. Then he wants to put a lace around it. He wants to put a lace around this photo frame. So, question is, what is the length of the lace he needs to buy for the photo frame? How much lace needed for this photo frame? That means, how much lace needed to cover the photo frame. That means the total length of the lace around this photo frame. That we want to find out. That we call it as perimeter. So, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the total length, the total distance around a closed figure. Okay? Closed figure means it will close like this, not open like this. Okay? It's open here. Closed figure means all the four sides are closed. That we call it as closed figure. So, in this question here, Shamit, a boy, wants to make a photo frame of length 18 centimeter and breadth 12 centimeter. And he wants to put a lace around this photo frame. And how much lace did he buy from the shop? How much length of the lace? So we want to find out the total distance around this photo frame. Now that we call it as perimeter. So we want to find out the perimeter. Now, so this is a rectangle shape. So opposite sides are equal. So here 18, then here also 18, here 12, here also 12. So we want to find out the total length. Then only we will get the perimeter. So perimeter P is equal to 18 plus 12 plus 18 plus 12. Add this 18 plus 12, 30. 18 plus 12, 30. 30 plus 30, 60 we got. This is one method. 60 centimeter. Unit is compulsory. So, unit must be there. Okay. Then otherwise, we can do it in another way. 18 plus 18, 12 plus 18 plus 12. 18, 18 two times. That is 2 into 18. 12, 12 two times. That is 2 into 12. And we can take 2 common here. We can 2 outside. Then 18 plus 12 will come. It is equal to 2 into 18 plus 12, 30. It's equal to, then also we will get the same answer, 60 centimeter. Okay. So here from this question we can make a formula for this. This perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, it's an equation for that. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So this you should by heart. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, should by heart this equation. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. In questions, length and breadth will give you. You should find out to add that length and breadth and then multiply with 2 in all cases. Then you will get, in case of rectangle, you will get the perimeter like this. How? You should multiply 2 with the sum of length and breadth. Equation is by heart. Okay? Equation should be by heart. This 2 into length plus breadth. So what is perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. One question will come like this. Find the perimeter of the rectangles whose length and breadth are given below. Question will come like this. Find the perimeter of a rectangle. Find the perimeter of a rectangle find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are given below. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are given below. Okay, and one question is like this. Length 25 meter, breadth 12 meter. This is the question. So what you want to do? You should find out the perimeter of a rectangle with the length 25 meter and breadth 12 meter. Here meter given, the units given with a meter. So your answer also should be in meter. So how we will do this? We should first write the equation. Okay, one equation is for that is perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So here length given 2 into length given 25 plus breadth given 12. 25 plus 12. First you will add, then multiply. Okay. Then the bracket is here now. So you should first do the operation in bracket. So addition is there. So 2 into 25 plus 12, 7, 37. 37. Then multiply. 2 7s are 14. 2 3 6 are 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. So 74 meter. 74 meter is the perimeter of that rectangle. Okay. So using this formula, we find out this answer. Okay. Next question. Of a rectangle whose length is 7 kilometer. So for length I am writing L here. For breadth I am writing P here. Breadth 3 kilometer. So here meter, length and breadth are given in kilometers. So the answer also should be in kilometer. So perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Equation is compulsory to write. Then 2 into 7 plus 3 is equal to 2 into 7 plus 3, 10. So 20 kilometer is the answer. Understood? So with using the equation, we can easily find out the answer. One more example. Length 56 centimeter. And breadth 44 centimeter. Finding now we are finding the perimeter of a rectangle. So equation will be perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into L plus B. L is length, B is breadth. That is 2 into 56 plus 44. 2 into 100. Isn't it? So 200 centimeter. Unit must. 200 centimeter is the answer. So in this way we can find out easily. Okay. Next. So now we learned about the perimeter of a rectangle. Next we are going to learn about the perimeter of a square. Okay. So children, do you know what is the difference between rectangle and a square? Rectangles opposite sides are equal. Okay. This is a rectangle. But in square, all sides are equal. This is a rectangle. And this is square. What is the speciality of a square? Squares, all sides are equal. But in rectangle case, opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this side is equal to this side. Now, next one we learned, perimeter of a rectangle we learned. Now we are going to learn about perimeter of a square. That I told you, the length of the side of a square is equal. So, if here it is 2 centimeter, then here also 2, here also 2, and here also 2. 4 sides are equal. Then equation will come like this. Perimeter of a square, SQUARE square, is equal to 4 into length of a side. 4 into length of a side. Length of one side. Okay. That is the equation. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of a side. For example, find the perimeter of the square whose sides are given below. That is side 7 meter. You should find out the perimeter of a square with the side 7 meter. So equation is this, length into 4 into length of a side. So the equation come like this. So 4 into length of one side is 7. 7 is equal to 7 4s are 28 meter is the answer. Understood? So this is very important. Thus you should by heart. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. Length of a side. Okay. Another question. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 10 meter. So what is the equation? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of a side. Is equal to 4 into 10. 10 is given here. One of the sides length given. So 4 into, apply that in this equation. So 4 into 10 is equal to 40 meter. Whatever units are given here, the same unit will come in the answer. 40 meter. Next example. Side given as 3 centimeter. This is next example. Okay. So in this way we can easily find out the perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a rectangle, that you should by heart. What is the equation? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. What is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side. Okay. Now, some figures are given to you. Should find out the perimeter. Okay. Like this. 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. So perimeter means the total length of the figure. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 7, 14 plus 7, 21 centimeter. This is the answer. Another example. We should find out the perimeter of this figure. How do we find out? We should add all these measures. Okay. So then total length will given to you. You should add all these. Then perimeter is equal to 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5. All are in same unit, centimeters now. So centimeters, the answer will come. So 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. 22 plus 5, 27 centimeter. Okay. Another example. Next question, you want to find out the perimeter of this closed figure. Okay. How do we find out? So, we should find out the total length of this figure. Okay. So, first we are going to add perimeter is equal to, here we start, otherwise here we start. 6 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 gain 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 is there. 2 plus 1 plus 6. 1. 6 we started, no? 6, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, 6, 1, 2, 5, 2, 1. We should add all this. 6 plus 1, 7, 10, 15, 18, 19, 25, 26, 28, 33, 35, 36 centimeter. Total 36 centimeter. Okay. 36 centimeter. Okay. So this is the perimeter of a closed figure. Okay. So today that much, children. Thank you and have a nice day.
Perimeter. Today, let's learn how to find the perimeter of a polygon. The word perimeter comes from two Greek words peri and metron. Peri means around and metron means measure. Thus, perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Hence, it is found by adding the lengths of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Today, we will learn how to find the perimeter of the polygons triangle, rectangle and square using formulas. Let's start with the triangle. A triangle has three sides, side A, side B and side C. To find the perimeter of a triangle, we add the lengths of all its sides. Thus, perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C. Let's find the perimeter of a triangle having the dimensions P is equal to 7 meters, Q is equal to 8 meters and R is equal to 10 meters. We know that perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of the lengths of all its sides, which is equal to P plus Q plus R. that is 7 plus 8 plus 10, which is equal to 25 meters. Thus, perimeter of the triangle is equal to 25 meters. Now, let us look at the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. We have already learned that a rectangle has 4 sides, wherein its opposite sides are equal in length. Thus, the perimeter of rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus breadth. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus 2 into B, where L is the length and B is the breadth, which is equal to twice of length plus breadth. Now, let's find the perimeter of a rectangle having the dimensions length is equal to 18 kilometers and breadth is equal to 12 kilometers. Using the formula, perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into, in brackets, 18 plus 12 is equal to 2 into 30, which is 60 kilometers. Thus, the perimeter of the rectangle is 60 kilometers. Finally, let's look at the perimeter of a square. We know that the lengths of the 4 sides of a square are the same. Thus, the perimeter of a square can be calculated by adding all the 4 sides of a square. Thus, perimeter of a square is equal to S plus S plus S plus S, which is equal to 4 times the length of a side. Now, let's find the perimeter of a square having sides of 10 centimeters. Using the formula, perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into 10, which is equal to 40 centimeters. Thus, perimeter of the square is 40 centimeters. Wasn't it easy to find the perimeters of these polygons?